Hello, and welcome back to English Audio, the place to improve your English just by listening. Today, we have a very powerful secret to share. It is a secret to success. It is a secret to learning. It is a secret to life. This secret comes from a man named Albert Einstein. You know, Einstein. He was a genius. He was one of the smartest people in history. But Einstein did not think he was a genius. He said something very surprising. Please listen closely. I have no special talent. I am only passionately curious. Let's say that one more time. I have no special talent. I am only passionately curious. What does this mean? Let's break it down. Section 1. What is talent and curious? First, what is special talent? Talent is a natural skill. It is something you are born with. Maybe you are born good at music. That is talent. Maybe you are born good at math. That is talent. Many people think Einstein was born with a talent for science. But Einstein said no. He said, I have no special talent. So, what did he have? Said, it was passionately curious. What does curious mean? Curious, C-U-R-U-S. Curious means you always want to learn. You are interested in the world. You always ask questions. You ask, why is the sky blue? You ask, how does a car work? You ask, why do we say good morning? This is curious, and passionately curious. This means very, very curious. You have a strong feeling. You must know the answer. This is Einstein's secret. He was not born a genius. He was born curious. His curiosity made him a genius. Section 2. Why curiosity is a superpower. Why is curiosity so important? Let's think about talent and curiosity. Talent is like a fast car. It looks good. Curiosity is like the fuel for the car. What happens to a fast car? With no fuel, it does nothing. It stops. A person with only talent often stops.
Why?
Because a person with talent is often afraid to fail. They want to look smart. They do not want to look stupid. So, they do not ask questions. They do not try new, hard things. Their fast car has no fuel. It stays in one place. Now, let's look at a curious person. A curious person is not afraid to fail. A curious person loves to fail. Why? Because failure is interesting. Failure is information. When a curious person fails, they ask, why did that not work? What can I learn from this? A curious person is always learning. They are always moving. They have a slow car, but it is full of fuel. And that car will go very, very far. This is great news for you. This is great news for learning English. You do not need to be talented to learn English. You just need to be passionately curious. Section 3. A story of two English learners. Let's imagine two students, Maria and Leo. Maria has talent. She is very smart. She understands grammar rules. Very quickly. Eberjine says Maria is a genius. Leo has no talent. He is slow. He makes many mistakes. He forgets words. But Leo is passionately curious. They go to English class. The teacher asks a question. Maria is quiet. She knows the answer, but she is afraid. What if I am wrong? I must be perfect. Her talent makes her afraid. Now look at Leo. Leo raises his hand. He gives a wrong answer. The class laughs. Dois, Leo stop. No, he's curious. He asks the teacher, "Why is my answer wrong? Can you please explain that rule again?" He is not afraid to look stupid. He only wants to understand. Now, class is over. Maria closes her book. Se is done.
She studied for 1 hour. She is tired.
Leo is still curious. He turns on the TV. He watches an American movie with English subtitles. He hears a new phrase. That cost an arm and a leg. Leo thinks, an arm and a leg. What does that mean? He stops the movie. He searches on his phone. Oh! It means very expensive. That is so cool. Later, he listens to an English song. He does not understand the words. He gets curious. He finds the lyrics online. He reads the song. He learns 3 new words. Now, think about 1 year later. Who speaks better English? Maria or Leo? It is Leo. Maria is still smart, but she is stuck. She is afraid to speak. Leo is not perfect. He still makes mistakes. But he can talk. He can communicate. He can have fun in English. You can be like Leo. Section 4. How can you be more curious? Curiosity is not a talent. It is a skill. It's a habit. You can practice it. I have 3 simple steps for you to practice curiosity. Step 1. Ask why, like a child. Think about a 4-year-old child. What do they do all day? They ask why. Why is the sky blue? Why is the grass green? Why? Why? This is how they learn so fast. Most adults stop asking why. They are afraid to look stupid. You must become a child again. When you learn something in English,
Do not just memorize it. Ask why. Why do we say go, but the past is went?
why is read present and read past spelled the same? Why is knife spelled with a K? When you ask why, your brain wakes up. You are not just learning, you are exploring. This makes your memory strong. Step 2. See boring things as interesting. This is a very important mindset. Einstein said, there are no boring subjects. There are only incurious people. Incurious means not curious. You are sitting on a bus. You feel bored. No. Be curious. Look out the window. Read the signs on the shops. What is that word in English? You are cooking dinner. It feels boring. No. Be curious. What is onion in English? What is to chop in English? What is to stir in English? You can turn any boring moment into an English lesson. Just be curious. Step 3. Be brave. Try new things. Curiosity needs new food. You must feed your curiosity. If you do the same thing every day, your curiosity gets sleepy. Wake it up! Do you always listen to pop music?
Be curious. Listen to an English rock song.
Listen to an English jazz song.
Do you always watch action movies? Be curious. Watch an English documentary about animals. Do you always read sports news? Be curious.
Read one science article in simple English. Every new topic is a new adventure. It is new food for your brain. Section 5. Conclusion. This is how you build a curious mind. So, let's remember the quote from Albert Einstein. I have no special talent. I am only passionately curious. This is the best news. It means you do not need to be a genius. You do not need talent. To learn English, you already have the perfect tool. You have a human brain, and that brain was born to be curious.
Your curiosity is your superpower. It is your fuel. So use it. Feed it.
Ask why. Try new things. Turn boring into interesting. Be brave. Do not be afraid to fail. Failure is just a new, interesting question. If you stay curious, you will never stop learning. And you will never, ever stop growing. That is the real secret to success. Thank you for listening to English Audio today. We hope this message helps you on your journey. Like and subscribe to our channel for more lessons. See you next time.